Hey Michael, this is Feroz. I bought the fuel treatment product from you, and I must say it has definitely increased the mileage of my car. Earlier, it used to give 300 odd miles per gallon for the whole tank on the highway. It definitely gives 500 miles now. So I'm on a long road trip right now, and I was definitely able to see the difference. So it's an amazing product. Thank you. And also the fuel pump has stopped leaking after the injection that you have given. They are pretty great products. Just wanted to say thank you and just want to let you know that they really work. So thank you. Bye bye.